What's up YouTube? This is DJ Tubedigga. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing a Pioneer DJS-1000. Don't worry, I've not sold my MPC Live and bought a Pioneer DJS-1000. But out of all the companies that I've asked over the last several months to lend me gear that I can do reviews and other stuff outside of the MPC Live and MPC X, Pioneer have come through and they've lent me a DJS-1000, which is amazing. So I'm going to unbox it. Now, I'm not going to be one of those people that have clearly unboxed it already. I've never seen this thing in my life. I've never touched one in my life. This has just been delivered to me about 20 minutes, 25 minutes ago. It's all factory sealed and all nice and all lovely. So I'm going to unbox it right before your eyes. I've no idea what's inside. Well, obviously there's a DJS-1000, but I have no idea what to expect. So let's open it up. Be very careful. I don't want to put a massive scratch across the screen. I'm going to do a review on this as well. So I'm going to learn it in the next 3 weeks. I'm very interested to see if it can be used for production and not just like a high-end DJ gadget, which I imagine some people might think it is, but this is brand new. This doesn't look like it's been opened and demoed by anyone else. So I'm assuming this is absolutely brand new. Anyway, thank you very much, Pioneer. Lovely young lady that I spoke to at Pioneer obviously checked out my channel and saw that I wasn't just some nut job, which she'll be sorely mistaken once she's seen some of my other videos. But I've got to be very careful with this because any damage I'm going to have to pay for, and I really can't afford to be just shelling out for something that I might not need. But it looks like quite an interesting machine. And hopefully it will be. This is brand spanking new. So what we got? AC adapter. And there's an Ethernet cable, so you can link up to another similar device or another one of these, but we'll get to all that. It's got some RCA cables, a USB cable. There you go. It's not too heavy, probably a few kilograms, I imagine. Here we go. Look at that. It's a beautiful looking machine. This thing looks pretty damn good. I'm well impressed. It is absolutely lovely. That might give you a better view of it. I hope I don't drop this live on camera, that won't be good. So on the front, what have we got? It's a bit dark, I'm afraid, but we've just got two phones jacks. We've got a 1/4 inch and an 1/8 inch, and we've got a level control for the headphones. Anyway, on the back, we've got the power. This is going from the left. We've got the power button. We've got 1/4 inch stereo input. Okay, unbalanced. We've got an unbalanced through auxiliary output 2 there, and then we've got an output 1. So the first output is RCA. Then we've got the link, so that Ethernet cable was as I expected, so you can link it up to similar devices or the same device. It's got MIDI out and through, it's got MIDI in, and it's got a USB 3 connection on the far right there, and the AC at the bottom, and a Kensington lock. The next video I do on this, it will be a review video, and I will take you through how it all works, and I'll give you my opinion as to whether it can be used purely for production. Because I was assuming that the Tarise was Pioneer's jump into the production world, but a lot of people still think it's just a really souped up DJ sampler. But apparently this thing can do tons of stuff. I'm really impressed with how it looks. These big glossy kind of chrome buttons here look lovely. So I'm just talking obviously aesthetics now. I've got no idea about the functionality of it, but these knobs, these are all nice and sturdy. They're not push button. This is this big data wheel up here. We've got an FX button. I believe that you can assign this to the entire output or deselect it from all the pads that are playing a sample and just have it on selected pads, which is good. We've got an input level. That knob feels nice and tight there. We've got a pitch slider here. Doesn't lock off in the middle. You can just reset it with that button. This is a touch strip here where you can affect pitch, repeat, user 1, user 2. So you can set up your own functions for this touch strip, which is cool, and you can hold it. Anyway, I'm not going to review this machine today. It was just an unboxing video to show you guys that I've got this at the moment. I've only got it for 3 weeks, or just under 3 weeks, so I've got a lot of work to do. I'm going to switch it on after I stop this video. Please do stay tuned, because I'm going to give this thing a good test as soon as I get my head around it. Check this out. I said I weren't going to compare, but I'm going to have to compare the pads. These pads feel beautiful. They've got a really nice feel to them. I've never been a massive fan of the MPC Live's rubbery texture. As a lot of you know, it's very easy to get mucky. But I would assume Pioneer have made the pads out of this material, because in a club environment where these are going to be quite often used, they're going to get a bit, I hate saying this word, moist. But these would be a lot easier to clean, I imagine. But they feel beautiful and they're really responsive. I mean, those lights are literally coming on, just stroking the pads like that. Now, they're not as deep as the MPC Live pads by any means. I can't wait. I'm going to have a little play. So I will get back to you guys. This is Tubedigga, and I'm out.